Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the UK's leading installers of the Starline systems. In this particular case, we've got a Starline i96 Pro on this 2022 Vogue, and we just thought we'd do a quick video for customers who need to use this 4-digit override, where they've, say, forgotten their PIN code and also happen to smash their phone. So if you're stuck out one day, as long as you've got this 4-digit code, we'll be able to get you out of trouble. So to put this PIN code in, which in this case is 3685, what we do is ignition on, put the first press in, which is 3, so we'll say 1, 2, 3, wait 1 second, the next digit is 6, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait 1 second, the third digit is 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the final digit is 3, so 1, 2, 3, we'll get 3 bleeps from the unit. There we go. That confirms this has gone in correctly and the system is now disarmed and factory reset. So now if we turn it on, we'll get a long tone to confirm it's reset. There we go. At this point we can learn a new code. So to do that, we press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Ignition off, back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. And at this point we'll pop our new code in. And again, we'll repeat that. Get our confirmation for the second time. And that's the code learned. So now, with the turn the ignition off, give it 10 seconds, the system will be armed. But if you're out and you just need to get home, start the vehicle up. It will disarm if it's within 10 seconds. If not, pop the new code in that we've just learned. There we go, system's disarmed. And now you can drive the vehicle home and you're out of trouble. Hopes this helps out some of our customers who are stuck, forgotten their code, smashed their phone, and are obviously panicking to get home. Like I said, we're Immobiliser Fit, one of the leading installers of the Starline security systems, whether that be alarms, immobilisers, or phone alert tracking systems. In this case, this is the i96 Pro on a 2021 Range Rover Vogue autobiography. If you have any questions, whether you're stuck or you want to get one of these systems fitted to your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll be able to help you out. Thanks for watching.